Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can power off TOZO OpenEgo. So from what I've learned, apparently you can just put them back onto the case in order to turn them off. So let's give it a try. Of course you can see they are still on by the light. And apparently if you put them into the case and then close the case, then they should be turned off. However, you can also do another thing. So let's reopen the case. Let's take them out. And what you can do is do the same thing as you did with powering them on. So you can simply press with your finger on the logo in order to turn them off. And we need to simply press and hold for a couple of seconds. So let's give it a try. There we go. Now they are turning off. And it's off. Let's see the other one. This one seems to be disabled as well. However, if the other earbud is still working, then we can do the same thing. So you want to press and hold with your finger on the logo in order to turn it off. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.